Let us solve this question. It is example 11.3 from Dual Nature chapter, class 12. What is the de Broglie wavelength associated with an electron moving with a speed of 5.4 into 10 power 6 meter per second and a ball of mass 150 gram traveling at 30 meter per second? So here they have given two objects. One is actually the electron, and they have given the velocity of the electron is 5.4 into 10 power 6 meter per second. And the another one is ball. So first let's complete with the electron. What is the mass of the electron? 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. We are asked to find the wavelength of the electron. We know that by de Broglie's wavelength, lambda is equal to h by mv. And if that is for electron, lambda e is equal to h by mass of the electron into velocity of the electron. We know what is h value. It is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into velocity of electron is 5.4 into 10 power 6. So it is written as 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 9.1 into 5.4 is 49.14 into 10 power minus 31 plus 6 is minus 25. Now let us do some approximation to make the calculation simpler. 6.626 is approximated as 6.63 and 49.14 as 49. 10 power minus 34 plus 25 is minus 9. 6.63 divided by 49 is 0.135 into 10 power minus 9 meter, because the unit of wavelength is meter. 10 power minus 9 is called as a nano, so it is 0.135 nanometer. So we have calculated what is the wavelength of electron. Now we will move on to wavelength of ball. It is given that the mass of the ball is 150 gram. Let us convert it into kilogram. It is 150 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Velocity of the ball is 30 meter per second. Wavelength of the ball is lambda is equal to h by mv. So lambda b is equal to h by mb into vb. What is h? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. Mass of the ball is 150 into 10 power minus 3. Velocity of the ball is 30. And we can write as 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 45 into 10 power minus 1. Let us approximate as 6.63. So 6.63 by 45 into 10 power minus 34 plus 1 is minus 33. What is the division for 6.63 by 45? It is 0.147 into 10 power minus 33 meter. It can be further written as 1.47 into 10 power minus 34 meter. That's all. So we have calculated the wavelength of the electron as 0.135 nanometer and wavelength of ball as 1.47 into 10 power minus 34 meter. Thank you.